Hello everyone, a warm welcome to you. Sage with you today for the Smart Market Insights here on Kalkine TV. Commodities witnessed mixed sentiments last week. At the same time, the US dollar's gloomy situation lent considerable support to commodities. In the energy domain, the prices of Brent crude oil futures recorded marginal weekly gains of 0.37%. Both crude oil benchmarks exchanged hands over $118 per barrel on Friday. On the contrary, natural gas prices slumped by 3.95% last week due to higher than expected stockpiles in the storage facilities. The benchmark Newcastle coal futures consolidated nearly $412 per tonne on Friday, supported by a strong demand against a tightening market backdrop. The prices have gained more than 2.7% the last week due to an increased demand in the power generation sector. And furthermore, uranium prices gained more than 5.5% in the last week as demand from major nuclear energy producers in China surged significantly with the ease in COVID-19 restrictions. The prices were additionally fueled by Beijing's previous signals to build 150 new reactors by 2035 amid commitments to lower carbon emissions. And within precious metals, both gold and silver prices logged marginal dips following two straight weekly gains. COMEX gold futures dropped 0.26% last week as the US Fed remained on track to continue its tightening plans. Traders believe that interest rates will be increased to curb rising inflation. The prices of base metals, including copper and iron ore, gained significantly in the last week amid lower inventories and ease in COVID-19 restrictions in China. Shanghai, also known as the country's key commercial hub, allowed all manufacturers to resume operations from June. On the other hand, aluminium prices dropped amid slowing demand and rising output. Furthermore, the prices of battery metal lithium remained stable during the last week, while nickel prices dropped more than 3.5%. So let's now take a look at a few commodities that were popular among the traders in the past week. Iron ore prices surged more than 7% last week to close at US $144.02 per tonne, significantly higher than last week's closing price. And the solid rise in iron ore prices was underpinned by the reopening of Shanghai and moves by the Chinese government to detail a series of stimulus measures. Moving on again, WTI crude oil prices gained as much as 3.40% last week, recording the third straight weekly gain. And due to the peak US driving season, the prices reached multi-week highs amid solid demand. And furthermore, in the last week, OPEC Plus also decided to increase its output in July and August. The ease in lockdown restrictions in Shanghai fueled demand and buoyed oil prices. Thank you for your company on that report. That is all for now. I hope your day in trading goes well. We'll be back again with the exclusive Smart Market Insights show tomorrow. Till then, keep watching Kalkine TV for the latest market updates and related insights. Sage here signing off for now.